Hola, hola! Welcome back to another video. Soy Señorita Spanish, and it's so good to see you again. Let's sharpen those letter writing skills. But first, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with all your friends, and click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a new video. Let's jump right in. Today's letter reads, You have been invited to spend your Christmas vacation with your friend in Venezuela, but will not be able to do so. Write a letter informing him or her of plans you made previously, which will prevent you from visiting, preparations you are making for the Christmas celebration in your own country, a promise to visit on another occasion, a special favor which you request of him or her. Please be reminded that you will need all the parts of the letter: city and the date, a greeting, opening lines, the body of the letter, closing lines, and your signature. Do not write your real name and address, but include the date in Spanish and use the appropriate beginning and ending. Let's get to writing. So the city I chose to use is La Habana. You can use any city of the world, it doesn't matter, and then you'll write your date in Spanish. Let's read. La Habana, el 12 de noviembre de 2024. Querida Carmen, hola amiga mía, ¿qué tal? Hi my friend, what's up? Espero que estés muy bien. I hope you're doing very well. Recibí tu carta con alegría, pero lamento decirte que no puedo viajar a Venezuela para la Navidad. I received your letter with gladness, but I am sorry to tell you that I cannot or I am not able to travel to Venezuela for Christmas. ¡Qué lástima! What a pity. Lo siento mucho. I am very sorry. So now we're moving on to answering the cues. The first cue is plans you made previously which will prevent you from visiting. Mis abuelos invitaron a toda la familia al campo para esta Navidad, así que debo asistir. My grandparents invited all the family to the country for this Christmas. Therefore, I have to attend. Además, estoy a cargo de las decoraciones. Likewise, or besides, I am in charge of decorations. The next cue says preparations you are making for the Christmas celebration in your own country. Saldremos el 20 de diciembre para la casa de mis abuelos. We will leave on the 20th of December for my grandparents' house. Iré de compras con mi madre para adornos y regalos. I will go shopping with my mother for decorations and gifts. Luego, decoraré el árbol. Then, I will decorate the tree. Colgaré decoraciones. I will hang decorations. Y envolveré los regalos. And I will wrap the gifts. En Nochebuena, llevaremos suéteres navideños. On Christmas Eve, we will wear Christmas sweaters. Hornearemos tortas de frutas. We will bake fruit cakes. Prepararemos una gran cena. And we will prepare a great dinner or a big dinner. Estaré muy ocupada. I will be very busy. So far, we would have covered fully the plans that we previously made, which is the fact that we are traveling to the country for our grandparents' dinner. They invited us there, and so we have to attend that occasion. And the preparations that we are making include going shopping and hanging the decorations and doing all of those things. In fact, I had stated that I am in charge of the decorating process. Then we are now going to need to make a promise to visit on another occasion. Let's see how I did that. You would notice that I started a new paragraph. Prometo visitarte pronto. I promise to visit you soon. ¿Qué piensas de las vacaciones de verano? What do you think about Christmas vacations? So I would have promised a visit on another occasion. I would have asked her opinion on that occasion. That can suffice as that cue. The final cue says a special favor which you request of him or her. Requesting has to do with the verb poder. So, mientras tanto, meanwhile, or in the meantime, podemos hacer una videollamada el día de Navidad? Can we do or make a video call on Christmas Day? So that's a special request. Te extraño mucho. I miss you a lot. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Besos y abrazos, Maria. Hugs and kisses, Maria. And that's it. That's the letter. I included all of the cues. I have my opening lines, I have my closing lines, I have every single section of the letter. I noted a colon after the greeting, which CSEC requires. My grammar is good. I have all my accents. And for this letter in particular, the tenses I used were the present tense to state that my grandparents invited me, and then I also use the future tense to state what I will do in terms of the preparations that I will make for this vacation. You have to think about each line that you're going to write. What tense will it require? As you can see, it's not always strictly one tense that is used throughout the letter. You might have the present tense in one part, the future tense in one part, the present tense in another part to state what happened before. So you have to be very mindful and ensure that you use the correct tenses and grammatical structures. But we can do this. I hope this video helped in your preparations for letter writing, and all the best in your upcoming examinations. Hasta pronto. Ciao, ciao.